In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a trade on Exness. If you need to exit a position quickly or simply want to manage your open trades more effectively, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access the trading area, open the Exness terminal, and then close either a single active order or all active orders, depending on what you need. To begin, go to the Exness personal area. This is the main dashboard where you manage your trading activity, accounts, and access the platform tools. Once the page has loaded, look for the Accounts section and click on it. This will take you to the area where your available trading accounts are listed. From there, click on Trade. This option opens the actions available for the account you want to manage. After selecting Trade, click on Exness Terminal. This is the web-based trading interface where you can monitor the market, view charts, and manage your open positions without needing to install additional software. Once you're inside the terminal, you can close an active trade directly from either the portfolio view or the chart view. Find the order that is currently open, then look for the X icon next to that active order. Click the X and then confirm the action when prompted. That confirmation step is important because it finalizes the trade closure. After that, the trade will be exited and removed from your active orders list. If instead you want to close everything at once, go to the bottom right area of the portfolio section and click the Close All button. This will terminate all active orders consecutively. This option can be useful if you want to exit the market completely without closing each position one by one. Just make sure you review your open trades before using it, since it affects every active order in that portfolio area. As a helpful tip, always double check that you're working in the correct trading account before closing positions, especially if you manage more than one. It's also a good idea to confirm whether you want to close only one trade or all of them, since those actions can lead to very different outcomes. And that's it. Once you know where the account section, trade menu, and Exness terminal are located, closing trades on Exness becomes a quick and simple task.